This is art. This is beauty. This is the Nina effect. Here's how I start an abstract painting with acrylics. No plan, just vibes. Step 1, go in with loose lines. Don't overthink it. Just let your hand move and create your base shapes. We're basically building a map right now, and it might look random, but these lines are gonna guide everything later. If it looks a little crazy at this stage, good, you're doing it right. Just keep building it up until you're completely happy with your outline. Step 2, add texture. I like using my fingers for this part and gives it that raw and perfect look that makes abstract pop. Step 3, layer your paint. Pour it, move it around, build contrast. This is where your piece starts to come to life. Step 4, go in with details. I'm using an acrylic marker to define certain areas and bring everything together. And here's the final result, y'all. This piece is called Fragmented But Whole. It's available here on my website at theninaeffect.com. And what do we want to create next? Let me know in the comments. I'll be picking one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.